Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the headset has sufficient charge and your device's Bluetooth is on. Plug the Quantum into power until the LED indicates a reliable battery level. This avoids dropouts during pairing. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue, which signals pairing mode. Make sure your phone or PC is within about 3 meters, close interfering apps or USB radios. This speeds discovery and prevents accidental connections to other devices. Now you'll pair. On your phone, tablet, or PC, open Bluetooth settings and start scanning. Look for the exact model label, typically JBL Quantum followed by numbers. Tap it to initiate pairing. If a PIN appears, enter the standard 0000 or 1234, though most modern JBLs won't require one. Once connected, the device shows a paired status and the headset LED often holds steady. Play a short sound or video to confirm left/right channels and microphone routing, and make adjustments in sound settings if needed. Finish by configuring preferences. On PC, install the JBL Quantum Engine app to update firmware, codec, and route chat audio. This optimizes latency and mic gain. If pairing fails, first turn Bluetooth off and on, reboot both headset and device, and clear any stale pairings so the headset isn't blocked by a previous connection. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the power and volume buttons for 7 to 10 seconds. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. This clears firmware hiccups and usually resolves persistent faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.